Alright, so I had a super busy day, so dinner is starting a little late today, but it's simple and easy. So you will need some onions, garlic, cilantro, lemon zest, lemon juice, Keith Lauren gourmet poultry seasoning, pepper, and I'm using this Malibu Black Caribbean rum liqueur. And I'm gonna put this all on some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Alright, so far on here I have some coconut oil and some cayenne just to get time moving along. It would help to open my bottles. You're going to add your Keith Lauren down in there. Onions. Alright, I zested my lemon. I'm just going to add the juice down in there of half. Then you're going to add your pepper. And then you're going to add your liqueur. Maybe a couple tablespoons of that. Now I'm just going to pop it in the oven. Easy and simple. Alright, so this is basically one red skin potato chopped up, scallions, pepper, and I'm going with the Keith Lauren Ethiopian Berber. As you can see, it's almost gone because basically it's magic in a bottle. So make sure you go cop that. Alright, clean board, clean knives. I'm spiralizing some pear, and I'm also going to spiralize some cucumber, and that's going to be the vegetable side. Well, pear is not a vegetable, but you get the point. So then this is what you end up with. It's so pretty. I already took pictures so you guys could really see the shape. And all I have on here is salt and pepper. Now I'm adding lemon juice because I don't want the pear to oxidize before it's gonna be eaten. So I'm adding some lemon juice. Other than that, you can add your favorite dressing, whatever you want, but I have enough going on. I don't want to add any more fat to this dinner, so I'm just using lemon juice, salt and pepper.